In this video, I'm going to cover the installation of HighByte Intelligence Hub on a Linux operating system. Here's my Linux operating system, and in the Documents folder, I've already copied the install files as well as a set of Linux commands. If I double click here, you'll see the three folders that are part of the HighByte Intelligence Hub installation. To start with, I'll move it to a terminal window and check Java, and see Java is not being installed. It provides another suggested distribution for Java. I'm going to install version 21. If I go back to my commands, if I select this command here, I paste it in the window, and enter my super user password, this will install Java. Once done, if I type in Java version, you can see version 21 has been installed. Next, I'll move over to a folder called OPT. This is a recommended folder to install HighByte Intelligence Hub from our documentation. Once in this folder, I'm going to create a directory called HighByte. And then change the permissions of HighByte to give access to everyone. I'll remove the HighByte. Nothing's in here. But next I'm going to run this copy command. That's going to copy the files from the Documents folder into this folder. Once done, you can see our three folders have been generated. Next, I'm removing the runtime folder. And once in the runtime folder, if I do an ls, you can see there's a number of shell scripts. So first I'm going to enable the shell scripts to be an executable. And once done, I'm now going to run HighByte Intelligence Hub. You can see from the command, it started. If I go to a browser and look at localhost, right, port 45245, HighByte Intelligence Hub is installed. So if I X out of here, and I want to stop it, next I'm going to install it as a service. So the next step is to move on to a different location. This is also the documentation. All right, so once here, I'm going to create a file for our service. And then I'm going to edit that file. And then from our documentation, I'm going to take this service entry, paste it here. Okay, good. Next, I'm going to run this to reload the daemon. And then I'll enable the service running this command. Again, these are also in our documentation. Once done, I'll restart the service. And then the next command is to monitor the service. Let's see if it's running. It is running. So if I go back to my browser, it's available. And then if I want to stop the service, we can stop the service by running this command. I think I should stop the service. Okay, this is it, the Linux installation. If you have any questions, please take a look at our documentation as well as contact our technical support. Thank you.